Installed new intelliflo pump, no power to display.
What specific appliance or part are you working with?
Pool pump.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have power to pump but not on display.
Do you have a communication cord from the pump to an automation system?
No.
So sorry, I had to step away for breakfast. It sounds like the LCD display has failed or the contrast is too low if you can see the display at all. If contrast is not the issue, it could be that water got into the seal, manufacturer's problem. It could cause this, or if there is a loose wire. However, since this a new pump, you need to contact Pentair ## and follow the prompts for warranty, or go online to Pentair https://www.pentair.com/n/knowledgebase/pool-spa-equipment/warranty.html and file a warranty claim. I would recommend calling. If this was purchased online, the warranty may only be 30 days, so time is of the essence. If you open the unit to attempt repair, it could void your warranty. If you want to attempt to check for what would be loose wires, I can get info to you. But since the pump is running, you are circulating, I would opt for a warranty for the replacement of their parts since it is new. Only rate this question once you are satisfied with an answer to close it out. Let me know how I can help further, and please stay safe and enjoy your pool.
Pump is not running. No power at display. This is a new pump that was just installed. No loose display connection.
Sorry for the late reply. I am in process of moving. If there is no power on the display and it is black/blank, that is a bad drive and needs to be replaced. Be sure that you have power gone to pump first by checking wires with a voltmeter. If the wires have power and they are properly attached to pump motor, and there is no display on the intelliflo screen, then it is a bad drive. Call Pentair with your invoice and serial number. Follow the number above prompts and they will get you a new pump. Please rate the question to close it out.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.